Today, I'm taking you through my full experience with a Visa Infinite card from Alterna Savings. This isn't just a rundown of features. It's a complete user perspective after having used this card for a few months across different situations. Let's start with the application process. Signing up through Alterna's platform was relatively easy, but the approval time was slower than expected, taking over 2 weeks. That's a bit longer compared to other institutions offering Visa Infinite cards, and something to keep in mind if you need quick access. Once approved, the card arrived in plain packaging without any premium presentation, which felt underwhelming given the high-tier branding of the card. The first thing I did was test out the digital onboarding, including adding it to my mobile wallet. That worked smoothly, and contactless transactions are seamless. In terms of benefits, the Alterna Visa Infinite card comes with the expected package: travel insurance, rental car coverage, purchase protection, and access to Visa Infinite concierge and luxury hotel collections. I tried using the concierge service to book a restaurant reservation. The response was prompt, though availability was limited, and they couldn't confirm the reservation for the day I requested. The travel insurance is fairly robust for a card with no annual fee for Alterna members, covering emergency medical, trip interruption, and baggage loss. However, if you're not a member, the annual fee can be steep, and you might not be getting full value unless you use these benefits often. Where the card shines is in travel-related perks like lounge access through Visa Airport Companion. I used this twice, once at Toronto Pearson and once in Montreal. Both times the entry was smooth, though you do have to register separately for lounge access, which isn't obvious upfront. The rewards program is decent, but not extraordinary. You earn points on every purchase, but the earn rate is fairly average compared to other Visa Infinite cards on the market. Redeeming points for travel gives you the best value, but if you're looking for cash back or merchandise, the rate drops significantly. Many useful links you can find in the description. When it comes to customer service, I had a mixed experience. The phone support team was helpful when I needed to ask about travel insurance documentation, but response times by email were sluggish, often taking several days for simple inquiries. Security-wise, the card has standard protections including fraud alerts, purchase verification, and zero liability on unauthorized transactions. I had a charge I didn't recognize, and was able to get it reversed quickly, which was reassuring. What stood out to me the most was the synergy with Alterna's banking ecosystem. If you're already an Alterna Savings member, you'll find the integration smooth, with one login for both banking and credit card info. But for non-members, this card doesn't provide much incentive unless you're focused on travel. One of the more frustrating aspects is that the mobile app feels outdated. It's not as intuitive or fast as competing banks' apps, which affects how easily you can track spending or redeem rewards on the go. To sum it up, the Visa Infinite card from Alterna Savings offers solid travel perks and insurance, but it's best suited for existing Alterna customers. If you're not using it for travel or aren't already part of their banking system, other premium cards might offer better return on spend and smoother digital tools. If this review helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of financial products just like this.